Hi guys, I'm Kelly.
And I'm Rich.
And we are Wonderbus Adventures. This week we started to strip out the cab, but it did not go to plan.
So yeah, we've found some horrors this week and we wanted to share those with you. Hope you enjoy, I think. But let us know down in the comments. And we've got an update at the end, so little bit of horror, but we've got a plan and we're going to share that with you in this week's video. So thanks for watching, thanks for returning if you're one of our subs, and if you're new here, do consider subscribing because we do post really regularly every week so far.
So this is going to be mine and Lily's project. Yeah.
So what are you going to do over here?
So basically we're going to take apart as much as we can and take all the plastic panels out, give them a good scrub.
Oh, sorry, I'm not even filming your head.
It's not that big, or is it? Give them a good scrub down.
Yeah.
And then hopefully restore them. So fill holes if we need to, because Lizzie's just pulled this out of there and put it in there. Or maybe see if we can use it to replace it with different lights and see if we can use it for something different.
Yeah.
Different switches, and then we'll probably spray it with the plastic spray that we used on the seats. Don't know what colour yet, not decided. And also going to refurbish the
Right, you
steering.
say that, but I've got 4 cans of black inside.
Okay, we're doing it black. It's going to be black.
I don't want it to be.
When we last talked about it, you were like, oh, I don't know if we should do it black because blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, I know, but then in a week I ordered black and it's arrived, so...
Yeah, we know the black that's nice, so scratch what they said, it's going to be black.
No,
This
it's
is
not.
what it's like being married.
No, it isn't.
And then we're also going to refurb the steering wheel because it's disgusting. We're going to spray it, and you can get like wraps to go on them that you then sew on, can't you?
Yeah.
So we're going to get one of them.
And this is
And
the horn.
we've taken the door card off already, but our door card is completely, it's a mess. Basically, they bodged the fix on it. They could have spent on it like something like 20p or something.
Well, it was 80p.
80p.
80 big,
To fix
80 big
it.
ones, yeah.
For just these little clips. But they decided to bodge it and it didn't work anyway, so we've taken it all apart and we were like, oh, we're going to have to get a new one, but it was like over £250, wasn't it?
Yeah, for all the bits that are attached to it, yeah, for a brand new one.
So in the end we bought the new clips, a new handle.
Moving.
So we are hoping just to fix it up and spray it and line it, so we'll see how that goes as
Now
well.
we're in the field.
Right, what are we doing next, Lily?
We're doing next. Taking out the cables.
Taking out the cables. And do
Yeah.
you want to turn around and show everyone your jacket?
I'm the boss.
The boss.
And this is my boss stick.
Apparently so.
Right, we have traced that cable from one end all the way up to here, and it's all this.
I think it's for the... Well, we think it's for the original reversing camera, we think. And when they put it in, I don't know, it looks like maybe 20 metres of cable.
It's crazy.
We're just taking it out because we need to install a new camera. And we're doing what they put in here.
Okay, first massive bit of wire out, and that's all of it. On to the next thing.
When you start something and you're like, is this a good idea? I'm at that moment now because I've just found out all of the screws that hold this top piece in along the scuttle area are all rusty because obviously it's quite a damp area where all the water runs down. Also found a little rust hole down here that's letting water in.
Me and Bill are now going to start trying to clean some of this stuff that's come out. Hi, we are just finishing cleaning up.
Guys, welcome to Wonderbus Adventures. I'm Lily and this is Kelly.
Hi.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
It's very nice summery day, isn't it?
It is lovely in summer, springy.
It is gold. again. I'm waiting for Mummy, guys.
Rich, I'm doing your 2 bucket thing.
Look at Mummy, guys. Look at her gorgeous face. Look at her gorgeous face again. This is Kelly, Lily's mum, aka Wonder Bus Adventures. If you don't like Wonder Bus Adventures, don't subscribe. If you do like Wonder Bus Adventures, subscribe.
Just gonna give all this stuff a bit of a clean. If you can see it, it's disgusting.
Right, the dash is out now, so we refurbished that, which is nice, but I'm not sure there's going to be much point because we've just discovered that basically the entire scuttle has gone. Could be game over. I'm going to take the scuttle out, the scuttle panel off the front and see how bad that is.
Exactly.
I cleaned all this and what's on there. That's to do.
I've got to take the rusty screws out of that.
Yeah, and this to do. I'm just gonna. Where are we gonna put all this? In the bus?
Put in the bus for tonight and then we'll think about it tomorrow.
Yeah.
At the moment, we might just burn the bus down.
Fed up. Loads more rust. Got to have it fixed. It just means the annoying thing is like the time it takes to get it fixed, and then it throws everything else out, doesn't it?
And the money.
Well, yeah, but we thought we'd be able to just take this out, spray it, put it all back in together. Oh, now the cab's done, thinking we had all the welding
Susie
inside
got
done.
caught by Pepper, and now she is Midnight Susie.
Oh,
Was coming to get us.
okay.
So we need to run. Okay?
In a minute, yeah.
Rust.
Rust everywhere, as far as the eye can see. Yeah, we thought we had all of the rest from the inside done so that we could just start fitting everything out, and now we found more rust inside and we're annoyed.
Yeah, it's bad news.
It is.
There's no two ways about it. It's bad news. Like, real bad. Like, should we buy a new van bad? Yeah, that's like a day's work to discover all of that. And honestly, at this second, it feels like this will be the end of it all. So yeah, we're gonna try and get hold of Luke and see what he says. But we're terrified. Gutted.
So, we know the last clip you saw, we were all a bit doom and gloom. But now the magic of editing, we've gone forward in time because it's 2 weeks later, and we have a bit more of a plan of what we're going to do about the annoying rusty window. Now, I just wanted to judo kick the window out, but Rich said...
What we're actually going to do, so because it's a bit of a unit, we've got a glazer come in next week to take the windscreen out, and then we're going to store that safely in the garage, at which point Luke, our welder, is going to come round so we can assess what parts we're going to need to buy from around the windscreen.
And also if we need new seals for the windscreen as well, and see how bad it all actually is, which we already know it's pretty bad.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Okay.
Okay, it's out. We're ready to see the extent of the rust.
Dun, 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 dun.
Or not, because I can't get this out. I need to shut the bonnet.
Okay, it's out.
What are we looking at behind it? Okay. So we knew that this windscreen surround had gone. You could see that from the inside. This panel here, I believe, is a bolt-on item, so we're going to need one of those as well. But hopefully that's not welded in. We don't know yet though. And then there's a little bit down in the bulkhead, but
I was really worried that this was going to be a lot worse actually.
There's little bits of it here.
So it is rusty in there, but I think that
It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be.
so in behind here you've got the window frame that goes all the way around. That's pretty kaput all the way along the bottom, as you can see, and from the inside it's even worse. This here, I can remove that now. So if I take, well, once we've got the screen out, we can take this away, and I think you can buy this as a part, and you can buy this around as well. It's £450, I found out. Obviously you can't buy the bulkhead, so that's going to need to be repaired in a different way, but it's not too bad. That's kind of like broken in the steel. The A-pillars are okay, which is a relief. So the rust doesn't seem to go up into that A-pillar, which is a relief. And over here, it's just starting to go, but again, it's pretty solid, which again is a relief. That isn't so good. But we can fix it.
It's fine. It's all fine. It's going to be fixed.
That's where one of the leaks was, I would imagine.
Yeah. Oh, it's got really windy.
Cool, okay. So yeah, we are going to fix it, is the key message. It's going to cost us a fair bit, and you know, put a dent in what we were going to do. So we've come up with a plan of how we can move forward with the build as well.
Yeah. So when we first of all found out, we decided we'd start doing some work on the roof instead. So you've got videos of that to watch coming up. And then for the time being, we think we're going to build like a frame and segment the bus so that we can work in the back of the bus without it getting filthy while the other work is going on, hopefully. And we're also going to be having some work done to our windows, aren't we?
Yeah, so our windows, they all leak, as you know. So we can't source the correct seals for them anymore. Because they're not like generic wedge seals, they're a strange type U seal. But what we're going to try this week, when the glazers are here, we're going to do an experiment on one of the windows whilst they're here, taking it out and like almost sealing and bonding them in with the, you know, with the sealant that we can get, and then make sure that that one window doesn't leak. So that's going to be a little bit of an experiment, because we do want to keep our windows.
Yeah, we do.
Because, you know, we want it to look like a bus. Appreciate lots of people weld up and bond over the windows to make it look like a van again, but part of the reason why we bought the bus is because it looked like a bus.
We just think it looks cool that way, so we kind of want to keep it.
So we're going to be doing that as well.
Made a bit of a plan of what we are going to be doing over the next couple of weeks. So first of all, we're going to work on the bus's roof. We're going to clean it, sand it, paint it with some Raptor, make some concoction for a roof rack, and whack on our solar panels. We want our solar panels on because we want to use them to power some of the things that we are doing when we're doing the build. We've also got to fix all the leaking windows. We're having a glazer come to help us do that. And in terms of the windscreen and all the rust problems, we're going to have the windscreen taken out, and then we're going to cut out the rust and get the welder in. See you soon, Luke.
So that's the end of a little bit of a strange update from us this week, we must admit.
Yeah, but it's all, you know, it's going to be fine.
Yeah,
we're over
fix it. We're working on stuff right this second, ready for next week's video. Exciting stuff. We're working on our roof at the moment, Raptor, and to be fair, it's looking quite good.
It does look good.
Yeah.
Lily said it looked glittery.
She did. So we're going to show you all that next week. Thanks for watching today. Any thoughts, comments, support, ideas, put them down below. We love hearing your comments, and thanks so much for sticking with us. We'll see you next week. Have a great week, guys.
1, 2, 3.
Bye.
Hi guys, welcome back to Wonder Bus Adventures. I'm Kelly.
I'm Rich.
And we are, I did it wrong. I don't know my own catchphrase.
key and then break in there.
Can you?
That's called a tachograph.
Because there's a key and then you can like get in.